Hi. We're constructing concentric rings of numbers where we're given a number as argument and that goes in the middle, and then we keep decreasing the numbers as rings around it until we reach 1. And we can do this by generating first the sequence that we want, going from the outside to the inside. So let's say the argument is 5, and then we want a ring in the middle, well, which is just a single number, which is 5, and then ring around that for 4, and then 3 around that, 2 around that, 1 around that. So it's going to be large like this. Okay, let's start working on this as a tacit function that takes as argument this sequence that we're generating, because we want the sequence itself, and we also want it then in reverse to decrease once we pass the center. So we can reverse it, and we can get its identity, and we can concatenate these together. Oops. But now we get a duplicated middle element, which we don't want. So we can drop the first one of the reversed argument, the reversed sequence, and that gives us the middle row or middle column in the final matrix that we want. So all we now need to do is expand this to become a matrix where we sort of say rotate it around the middle. And one way we can do this is as if we were making a multiplication table. So for a moment, let's try making a multiplication table. That's jut dot times selfie or commute. So this is an outer product, and then we are using the commute to take this argument over here on both sides, and this gives us a multiplication table. So we can see that 5 became 25 in the middle, and then this is 4 times 5 is 20 over here, all the way up to 1 times 2, and 2 times 1, and then 1 over here. But of course, we don't actually need a multiplication table. What we want is that the lowest value from the rows or the columns should prevail. So over here, we want it to be a 1, and over here, we also want a 1, and here we want a 2, and so on, and then 5 in the middle. So we want the minimum function. So the minimum function is written like this. It's like a vertical bar with an indicator line that shows the minimum value, and then that gives us exactly the result we want. Now this is an expression, but we can easily convert this to a function f, and then we can apply f, and that solves our problem. Thank you for watching.